Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download the Valorant map on Meccha Chameleon. So there's the Lotus map that someone has uploaded on here. So basically, you're just going to want to click workshops. There are a bunch of maps from other games as well. There's the Minecraft one, there's the Tanglewood one, which is from Phasmophobia. There's also some maps from Counter-Strike. There's the where is it? Okay. There's the Inferno and Dust 2 map. So basically you're just going to paste this. I'll put it in the comment section or the description box down below because it's in a different language. So here I'm just going to subscribe to the map and I'll see you when I'm in the game. So basically, when you're in settings here, you can just pick the map that you downloaded and press start game. And here is what the map looks like. So this is Lotus. They did just make the A site. Maybe if it's all the sites, it's going to be a little bit too difficult to play in. But yeah, they did close it off. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.